Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I'll be reacting to another Rocko's Modern Life episode. This one is going to be season 3, episode 5A, Nothing to Sneeze At. So, yeah, let's get into it. Oh, okay, I love the music. Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay. All right. So, okay, the big heads. Okay, Filbert. Okay, what is that, a mosquito? You stop it, you evil mosquito. Why do you have a little, a little bow? Come on. You evil mosquito. What is it? What is it? What is that?
Will he be all right, though?
Right, will he be all right?
Well,
mosquito bitten Rocko. No, you have malaria
He is
now.
among amphibians, but he's through the worst of it now.
Oh, amphibian, okay.
He's
Right.
unconscious.
Oh, he's unconscious. Why did you have to do that, though? Okay, so it's coming among amphibians, okay, but why did you have to do that, Heifer? Like, you don't have to squeeze his head like that. He's gonna be even more unconscious
Well, he
after
got
that.
so excited about having something, he fell down the stairs. Which is good, because I had a chance to get his tonsils out.
Oh, well, there you go. That Filbert, ew, those tonsils needed to go, ew. And what is that swimming in there, ew?
Cool.
What, that's not cool. Oh, the mosquito's gonna bite him. Yo, stop that, you evil mosquito. How dare you, it's sucking his blood. But yeah, now he's infected with that. You're gonna infect somebody else. You stop that. You stop that, you evil mosquito. Yeah, look at that. All right, well, there you go. There you go. That's what you get for getting Filbert's blood. You jerk. Okay, but doesn't that only affect amphibians, right? How did it affect that mosquito? Oh, she ate the. You ate the. It's an infected mosquito.
Eddie.
Right. Oh, and like that.
What is it?
Right, poor Mr. Bighead. I mean, Mr. Bighead's a jerk, but I mean, he doesn't deserve that. Like, don't wake me up like that. You're gonna give me a concussion. She ate a mosquito. He's like, thank you. Right. Well, yeah, I hate those things too. He's like, for crying out loud. Okay, 10:09 p.m., 6:43 a.m. What is that? That's Mrs. Bighead. That's Mrs. Mr. Bighead. Your wife was on you. She's inflated. Mr. Bighead.
Rise and shine, lily lips.
Lily lips. That's not Lily lips. She's a monster now. Mr. Bighead, right? Look at that. Those random farting sound effects, like, why? I'm with you, Mr. Bighead. The matter is your face. You're the matter. You ate the infected mosquito. Oh, look at all those spots. Ew.
What are your symptoms?
The medical dictionary. Put it on WebMD. Those are her symptoms. That. I don't know how to explain that. Ew.
Good God. You've got amphibial glottal bloatus.
Amphibial glottal bloatus. That sounds about right. Yeah.
Mr. Bighead!
Oh, yeah,
Good
okay,
morning.
he's at the
Well,
hospital.
your wife has amphibial glottal bloatus.
Right, yeah, we knew
Primarily
that.
affects the tonsils.
The tonsils, okay, so it affects the tonsils. That's why she took Filbert's tonsils out, right?
Oh, but those are a cinch to remove. So you
Okay.
can run off to work.
Like, wait. So that's her tonsil. Like, that's what caused it, just because of her tonsils. Like, removing her tonsils is gonna make her feel better? I mean, I don't know.
I'll take care of those nasty old tonsils.
Yo, don't do that, Dr. Hutchinson. Yo, stop, Dr. Hutchinson. I wouldn't feel good after seeing that. I guess, all right. I guess you have to trust Dr. Hutchinson, but okay. Why did she have to tear through the door? All right, so, I guess.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Bighead.
Okay, oh, look at her. She's wrapped up. She looks like a mummy. Okay, why? You ruined the perfectly good TV. Why did you put a new nose on her? Ew.
Oh, super.
What do you mean super? What do you? What about the nose? Forget her throat. Right. What about her nose?
Could I see a mirror?
Right. What did you do there? Yeah, I'm with you, Mrs. Bighead.
But I
Right.
have a nose.
No.
Certainly do.
What do you mean you certainly do? She shouldn't have a nose.
I'm a toad.
Right.
Toad with a nose.
Toad with a nose. Stop it, Hutchinson. Right.
Oh, for Pete's sake.
Right. She's like, oh, yeah. I messed up.
The pages got stuck together.
Ah,
You
Dr.
made a little
Hutchinson.
boo-boo. Tell
You made a little boo-boo, not we, you.
This one's on me.
Yeah, of course it's on you. Who else is it
And
on?
if you're not completely satisfied,
Well,
with it,
no,
in
she's
60
not.
days, just bring it back.
What, 16 day? What is this? It's like she bought a TV or something.
We'll take it right off.
Take it right off.
Well, I don't know.
Take it off now. Well, you could smell everything. I mean, you could smell the flowers. She's, she likes it. Look at Hutchinson. She's like, what?
No wonder.
Of course they do.
Oh, you don't understand. I've never
Right.
smelled anything
Right.
before.
Right. Because she never had a nose. That's true. Oh, okay, you didn't have to smell Dr. Hutchinson. I'd have the same smile. Like, okay, can you leave now, ma'am?
That must be antiseptic.
Antiseptic.
Is it perfume?
Oh, okay, well, yeah, that's what it
Oh,
is.
but smell everything.
Okay.
Everything.
All right, Mrs. Bighead. Well, I mean, I get it, though. That's the first time you could smell. You're gonna, oh, I don't know if you want to smell everything, but okay. You don't want to smell like bad smells. Okay. This poor guy. Don't smell his cat. What are you doing?
Oh, what a gorgeous nose.
No, it's not a gorgeous nose, sir.
Magnificent.
No, it's not.
I'm fat.
I'm fat. No, you're not, ma'am. Okay. All right. Hey, there you go. Smelling everything. Look at the cheese of the world. Okay. All right. The bakery. The cat. I'm with you, pet. I'm with you. I would get scared too. Look at that big nose. Okay. Look at that. That nose does not match her. All right. And did she even get her tonsils taken out? I don't know. You're paid for those hot dogs, Mrs. Bighead. What is that, a wig shop? The Madame O Salon de Beauty. Okay. Okay. All right. She looks very weird. First of all, seeing her with a nose, then with a wig. I mean, she doesn't look that bad, but it's just her nose. Okay, bye. What did you have a photo of Mrs. Bighead on your kite? We own you. All right, yeah, Mrs. Bighead. She owns the company now. All right.
I'm busy.
Okay. All right, it's your wife. Look at her. The first thing you see is her nose. Look at that. There you go.
Well, hello.
Well, hello. Look at Mrs. Bighead.
You look incredible.
Mr. Bighead, look at her. Calm down, Mr. Bighead. You're at work. You're at work. You're not at home. Calm down. I know you two are a little bit of freaks, so calm down.
You got your hair done.
Right, yeah. And did you notice her nose? Oh, no. Oh, no. I told you they were freaks. I told you. No, not on the table. Oh, they're gonna do it on the okay, on his desk. Okay.
Anything.
Yeah, everything's new.
Don't. You look
Right.
positively
Look at it.
radiant.
Radiant.
The nose.
The nose, right.
Oh, well, yes.
Right.
Suit you.
It's so
That's not it at all.
Well,
He calm down, Mr. Bighead. He's okay. Calm down.
makes me feel terrific.
Okay, Mr. Bighead thinks you're terrific. Oh, what do you smell?
Something wrong, dear?
She smells something bad.
Down for a minute, dear.
Oh,
Don't tell me Ed has BO. He has BO because he can't smell.
what are you doing?
She's smelling something. Look at that other stuff on the floor.
Okay.
She's smelling you. Let's see. What? Oh, why did she do that? Oh, okay. She got a sample of them.
You saucy thing, you.
You saucy thing, you. That saucy thing is gone. Conglamo, embarrassing personal hygiene product testing department. Well, yeah, I mean, but you gotta process good personal hygiene. I mean, okay, ew, I wouldn't like to have that job. Ew, is that, okay, ah, you're gonna pass out, you're gonna die. Oh no,
Bighead.
he knows that's it, Bighead. Oh, so they just know he smells like that and they don't tell him anything. All right, you better smell his armpit. He's that's better. That one doesn't even have any doesn't have any product on it. Right? It's a stinky armpit. He's like, oh. Okay. All right. So yeah, so she realized your husband stinks. She's still waiting. Look at this. All right, he's like, what? Right, the general's like, what? Mr. Bighead's a freak. Right. He was still waiting for her. All right. Take a shower. Okay, think up. Mr. Bighead. Look at that. How did you not? 9 hours. How did you not feel her put those stink ups on you? 9 hours. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. You gotta spray him with that. Yeah, maybe more things.
I know you're here somewhere.
Well, she's right there.
You little sneak.
You little sneak. Mrs. Bighead, that's not gonna help you though, right? That on her nose, like, I mean, you could still smell, I'm sure.
Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy.
I'll get it.
No,
Mr. Bighead, you stink.
What is this? Air freshener?
You stink, stank fresh. Yes.
Deodorant?
You need that. You need that. Have you ever heard of that, Mr. Bighead? You need it. You stink.
Are these for me?
Yes, they are. You gotta tell him the truth. You gotta.
Gags! I stink!
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You do.
Yes.
You stink. Yes. And you know what? But I'm pretty sure Mrs. Bighead would have stunk too, right? Before she got her nose. I mean, I guess, right? But like, come on, put on some deodorant, Mr. Bighead.
Unstink me!
Yeah, she's trying to do that. Mr. Bighead, that's years of stench on you. I mean, right.
Today you were so happy. A brand new woman.
A brand new woman.
And me? I'm still just a steel toe.
Yes, you are.
You deserve
Right.
it.
Okay, Mr. Bighead. Okay, right. That's not true. Well, I mean, yeah, that's not true.
Yes, it is. Your life is different now. And
Okay, well, yes.
Stink it up.
Then take a shower. Start with a shower, Mr. Bighead. Okay.
You, I love you.
Right. She loves you. Right. That nose that's ruined everything. Right, pay you. You know it's bad.
Come back.
You stink, Mr. Bighead. You stink.
I just need some time
Okay.
to think.
Need some time to stink.
I mean, think.
To think. Okay. I was like, what? Is she gonna get smelly too? All right, Mr. Bighead. And the truth comes out. He's stinky. Okay.
The sweet smell of crickets on a stove.
She smells cricket. Oh, so crickets smell better than Mr. Bighead. Okay. All right, tonight's meeting, nose crisis, share your pain. Well, it's just perfect for her. Perfect. Good thing was that. What is that, an AA meeting?
Crisis, share your pain. Well, imagine that.
Right, imagine that. Perfect for you. Okay, look at him.
Nose crisis.
The Philbert, what? You have a nose crisis? You don't even have a nose.
Number 62.
Okay. Okay.
Pardon. I've only recently recovered from a very serious illness.
Right. The Philbert, not so close to the microphone, right? You made that poor guy next to you fall down.
Welcome our newest member,
Right, look at that. Now you're gonna have an ear crisis. You're gonna be deaf. Look at that, Philbert. Use it right through the table.
Thank you.
Shout out to that elephant.
I'd just like to say.
Okay.
Speak into the mic, fruit fins.
Yo. What? Filbert, what did he call her? Let me go back. Then all of a sudden he got mad.
Thank you. I'd
Right.
just like to say.
And she is like that. I feel like that's a perfectly good distance from the mic.
Speak into the mic, fruit fin.
Fruit fins. He said fruit fin. What does that even mean? Fruit fins.
I'm Bev Bighead.
Oh, that's better. The high Bev. What is this?
My husband.
Right, he stinks. Yes. No, he's crying.
Your pain, sister.
Why do you stink?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Or does your wife stink? I don't know, sir.
I had a very important decision to make.
Yeah, yes, we do. You don't feel her pain.
My nose has brought me more joy than I have.
More joy. Right, look at that.
Yet
Okay.
it also may take from me
Right.
my life.
Yeah, the love
yes.
of her life.
I too know the
Yeah.
height of having an enormous schnoz.
Enormous schnoz. Well, I guess that is his nose, right? But it's just part of his face, right? You know.
Never did I
Okay.
believe that such a
It doesn't even look bad, Filbert.
Okay, don't hog it.
Okay, don't hog it. That's Filbert. All of a sudden he'll be all sweaty. No, I understand. Okay, don't hog it now, lady. Get out. Right? Look at that.
And now, please hail the founder of Nose Crisis.
Who is that, you?
Pete, who will now
Pete?
perform the closing ceremonies.
Okay, where's Pete? Who's Pete? Ow! Oh!
Is adjourned.
That's the closing ceremony. He drops his nose on you. Well, yeah. I could see why he's the founder. He's the king of the schnoz. Yeah.
Ugh.
Hey, babe, that's quite a honker. What do
Hey, baby, that's quite a honker. Look at you, sir. You're one to talk. Ew, look at those hairs on his nose. Ew.
you say you and me get a bowl of chili?
Oh, no. No bowl of chili, sir.
I'm married.
Right. Ah, he smells her. She smells.
Would you excuse me?
She smells. Look at that. Oh, oh, sir. I mean, I get it. You can't cover that thing, but ew.
Terribly sorry, I have a bit of a cold.
You have a bit of a go. I thought she stunk. That's what I thought that's what that was.
Just what I need, another illness.
Right, yeah, you're gonna get another illness. I want that.
No,
Well, maybe that's a good thing. Your nose is gonna be gone.
my nose is sick.
Yeah, your nose is sick.
Sick.
Yeah, how does your nose just get sick? Right, unless you have a cold, but everything would be sick. All of you would be sick. Look at it. Oh. Right, well, she can't smell anything now. Right. Ew, it's a infected nose. O-Town General.
Mr. Bighead,
Yes, yes.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
afraid we couldn't save her.
Oh, what do you mean? Right, I'm with Mr. Bighead. Like, what? What do you mean we couldn't save her?
I mean her nose.
Well, I mean, Dr. Hutchinson, then be more bad. You know, come on. More details then. Don't just say we couldn't save her. What are you talking about?
Save her nose.
Right, that's not funny. Look at him, you made him melt. I don't blame him. Right here, like, what? She's dead? Like, what? Look at that. Okay, well, that's a good thing.
Lovely loads.
There you go, Mr. Bighead. Now you're good to stink as bad as you want. Oh, there you go.
Smell you.
Right, that's a good thing.
Beautiful every time I see you.
All right.
Sure.
They're perfect for each other.
Good I've got.
Naughty noses.
Doctor, it is
I
got
sorry.
a prescription for
It's,
love.
oh, calm down, Mr. Bighead.
Hurry.
Oh, now she's getting excited.
Hello.
What is that? Calm down. They're gonna do it right there on the hospital bed.
Aloha.
What is that pineapple nose? They are some freaks. What is that? A mouse in a. What is that?
Oh, yes.
Hubba. Yeah.
Oh, you're driving me wild.
Yes, you are. Calm down. Right. Calm down. You're getting too excited. Oh, okay, I don't even want to know what they're doing behind that curtain.
Here come the players.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Don't. Do whatever you do. Don't open that curtain. There's some freaks in there. There's some freaks. They're the biggest freaks ever. That's what they are. Right, but okay, all right, Mr. and Mrs. Bighead. You know what? They're perfect for each other. They're the same amount of freaks, you know. So shout out to them. Shout out to them. Okay, yeah, no, that was good. That was really good. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. You know, right? So I mostly focus on right, Mrs. Bighead and Mr. Bighead, right? No, so but I did like right that they had Rocko, Heifer, and Filbert right in the beginning, right, and then Filbert right in that nose club, right? But right, Filbert is too funny, but yeah, yeah, that was really good for sure. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.